So, how do you maintain your curls on a daily basis?
देखिए आज ये मेरी टीम का कमाल है, बट अदरवाइज कर्ली हेयर को मेंटेन नहीं किया जाता. कर्ली हेयर का अपना एक माइंड होता है, अपना एक अस्तित्व होता है. द ट्रीटमेंट्स, द हीटिंग, द शूट्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, वो थोड़े कर्ली बाल लूज हो जाते हैं. सो यू हैव टू वर्क अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा हार्ड. सो देयर इज द शैम्पू, देयर इज द कंडीशनर, देन उसके बाद यू कैन वेरिएट डिपेंडिंग ऑन आपको कितना ग्लैम लगना हो. तो आई हैव अ फ्लैक्सीड कैप विच आई वेयर, हीट इन द माइक्रोवेव एंड पुट ऑन माई हेड after putting a lot of conditioner for 45 minutes. This happens once in a while.
Can you walk through us your daily morning hair care routine?
Daily morning, I literally, when I wake up, if my hair is still in its curls, then I spritz it with, what is it, spray conditioner. Spray conditioner मैं उसको बहुत ऐसे wet करके, because obviously there'll be some product from the previous night which will be healthy products. They're all lovely. Like if there's a natural mousse, I try to keep it as natural as possible. Even hair color, I try to use natural hair colors, not mehndi.
Okay, what's your favorite way to style your curls? Example, twist out, braid out, natural, what?
तो बिल्कुल आप जैसे ब्रिटिश फिल्मों में देखा करते थे, वो 20s की हीरोइन या वैसे निकला करती थी. Then of course the curl pattern changed and now it is a little more different kind of ABCD. पता नहीं अलग अलग curl patterns हैं.
So which is your favorite one?
Scrunching. Basic scrunch. मतलब I do finger twisties also, which is left side हो तो बाहर की तरफ, right side हो तो बाहर की तरफ. मैं वो भी करती हूँ.
So how do you protect your curls from heat damage?
I get protein masks once in a while. I get treatments at the salon once in a while. But very often मेरे घर पे भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. So I use a lot of these things, masks, and then like I said, I put this. There's a flaxseed cap which I use. उसको गर्म करके सर पर डालते हो.
So have you ever had a curl related disaster?
All the time. What
So
are
how
you
do you fix
saying? All the time. I feel कि आप curly hair के साथ बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. तो you can tie it up, you can make little curls. There's so many YouTube tutorials कि you cannot go wrong with it. But of course, curls have gone wrong. But the point is to take some time, take a deep breath, wet them deeply, scrunch again, and diffuse is literally my go-to when and maybe give it a little more height here, तो थोड़ा सा back combing, if at all.
If you could switch hair textures with anyone for a day, who would it be?
So I'm not taking anyone's hair. मुझे अपने खुद के बाल बहुत पसंद है. And after me, if I like anything, then it's again more curly head heroines. Like I loved Taapsee Pannu's hair whenever she keeps it curly. Kangana Ranaut had perfect curls when she keeps it curly. So I would not exchange textures. मैंने कहा ना, बड़े पुण्य से कर्ली बाल मिलते हैं.
Lastly, are there any emerging curl trends that excite you?
मुझे ऐसे लगता है that people just owning their curls and living with them and taking care of them is a trend that is exciting. A lot of people have given up on their curls. बहुत सारे लोगों ने, मेरे ही दोस्तों के सर्कल में अपने बालों को सीधा कर दिया है, saying who will do this, yeah, it's too much of तामझाम. So I'm very happy to see कि एक तो हम curls को बरकरार रख रहे हैं, secondly we're finding new ways to style it so that it looks so pretty. So I think emerging trend wise, again big curly hair will be back.
Okay, thank you so much.